You don't actually need a new job to earn more money. You need a new skill. Most people try to increase income the slow way. They wait for a raise, a promotion, or more overtime. But raises are small and slow. Skills are different. Skills follow you anywhere, and once you have them, nobody can take them away. Welcome to Daily Finance Lab, where simple knowledge turns into real financial progress. Here's what changed in the last few years. The internet removed the biggest barrier to making money. It's no longer education, it's no longer connections, and it's no longer where you live. Today, your earning ability mostly depends on whether you can do something useful for someone else. And right now, there are skills you can start learning today, for free, and realistically use to earn within this year. First is learning how to use AI tools properly. AI isn't replacing workers. People who understand AI are replacing those who don't. Businesses need help writing emails, captions, product descriptions, and customer responses. When you learn how to give clear instructions to AI, refine results, and solve simple problems, you suddenly become useful. You're saving businesses time, and time is something they gladly pay for. Next is copywriting. This isn't about writing essays or being a perfect writer. Copywriting means writing words that make people take action. Every advertisement, product page, and promotional email exists because businesses want customers. If you can write simple, clear, persuasive messages, companies will pay you. You don't need advanced grammar, you need understanding of attention and curiosity. After that comes video editing, which is one of the most demanded skills online right now. Every platform is pushing video content: YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and online courses. But here's the opportunity. Many creators don't want to edit. They would rather record and let someone else handle cuts, subtitles, and pacing. You don't need expensive software or cinematic talent. Basic editing that saves a creator hours of work already has value. Then there's social media management. Almost every business knows they should post online, but most business owners are busy running their company. Writing captions, replying to comments, and scheduling posts are simple tasks, but they take time. If you can handle consistency, you solve a real problem. And solving problems is what creates income. Another useful skill is basic graphic design. Every business needs visuals, thumbnails, posts, simple logos, and promotional graphics. You don't have to be an artist anymore. Modern design tools make it possible for beginners to create clean and professional designs quickly. When you can help a business look more professional, you increase their chances of getting customers. Finally, there is online research and assistance, one of the most overlooked ways to earn. Many entrepreneurs don't have time to gather information, organize spreadsheets, or research competitors. If you can find accurate information and present it clearly, you become valuable. These tasks are simple, but they remove workload from someone else, and people will pay to remove workload. Here's the important part. None of these skills make money instantly, but they can realistically increase your income within months, not years. And the real difference between people who stay stuck financially and people who move forward isn't intelligence or luck. It's skill acquisition. Most people spend hours scrolling every day. If you spent just 30 minutes daily learning one useful skill, 1 year from now, your earning potential would look completely different. Your salary today is not just determined by your job, it's determined by the value of what you can do.